Hey y'all, today I am going through me process of making an alien shaker. The first thing I am doing is pouring in my resin which I mixed with glitter and alcohol ink. Once we finishing pouring in the resin we will then wait 12 or more hours for it to dry. Luckily you don't have to wait for this video. Now it is time to demold the alien shaker. Now it is time to fill the shaker with little charms and beads. Now it's time to show you the reveal. Please let me know what you think and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already.